everyone. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we transform your living spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're diving into the world of balcony gardening, and let's learn about plants, furniture, and decor tips for creating a beautiful and functional urban retreat. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet suburb, your balcony is an untapped opportunity for a serene and beautiful outdoor space. In this video, we'll explore some of the best balcony garden design ideas to help you create a thriving urban oasis. Balcony garden design refers to the art and practice of creating a garden or outdoor living space on a balcony. It involves selecting appropriate plants, furniture, and decor elements to transform a small outdoor area into a beautiful and functional space. Balcony gardens can be designed to serve various purposes, such as 1. Relaxation and enjoyment. Providing a peaceful retreat for unwinding and enjoying the outdoors. 2. Gardening. Growing plants, herbs, or vegetables. 3. Entertaining. Creating a welcoming space for socializing with friends and family. 4. Decorative. Enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of a home or building. Balcony gardens are particularly popular in urban areas where space is limited. They offer a way to connect with nature and create a personal outdoor oasis, even in a small living space. A balcony garden offers numerous benefits, both physical and mental. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature, improve air quality, and reduce stress. Plus, growing your own food can be incredibly rewarding and cost-effective. What are the essential elements of a balcony garden design? When designing your balcony garden, consider these key elements. First, plants. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and the amount of sunlight your balcony receives. Popular options include herbs, flowering plants, and vegetables. Second, furniture. Select comfortable and durable furniture that complements your garden style. Consider adding a small table and chairs for enjoying meals or relaxing outdoors. Third, decor. Personalize your balcony garden with decorative elements like pots, planters, wind chimes, and string lights. Fourth, privacy. If your balcony faces a busy street or nearby buildings, consider adding privacy screens or trellises. What are some creative balcony garden design ideas? Here are 10 inspiring balcony garden design ideas to get your creative juices flowing. 1. Vertical garden. Maximize your space by creating a vertical garden using wall-mounted planters or hanging baskets. 2. Herb garden. Grow a variety of fresh herbs for your cooking and enjoy the aromatic benefits. 3. Miniature Zen garden. Create a tranquil oasis with rocks, sand, and small plants. 4. Succulent garden. Succulents are low maintenance and thrive in small spaces. 5. Flower garden. Add bursts of color to your balcony with a variety of flowering plants. 6. Vegetable garden. Grow your own fresh produce, such as tomatoes, peppers, or lettuce. 7. Tropical paradise. Create a tropical escape with palm trees, ferns, and vibrant flowers. 8. Rustic retreat. Embrace a rustic aesthetic with wooden planters, stone pavers, and natural materials. 9. Modern minimalist. Opt for clean lines, geometric shapes, and neutral colors for a contemporary look. 10. Cozy reading nook. Create a comfortable seating area with cushions, pillows, and a small table for enjoying books or your favorite beverages. With a little creativity and planning, you can transform your balcony into a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Whether you're looking to relax, grow your own food, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, a balcony garden is a wonderful addition to any home. Start your balcony garden journey today. Share your design ideas and progress with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor and design tips. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.